Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best graphic tablets for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Huion new 1060 Plus graphic drawing tablet with 8,192 pen pressure. The first one on this list is the 1060 Plus graphic drawing tablet by Huion. The tab comes with a built-in card reader, which has an 8GB micro SD card. This makes it ideally portable and convenient for its users. In case you aren't satisfied with the 8GB, you can extend its memory up to 64GB, so you won't be running out of space anytime soon. The active working area of this tab spans about 10x 6.25 inches of space, giving its users an extensive space to design. The makers also took the design up another notch by letting the pen pressure sensitivity extend up to 8,192 levels. As a result, you can use the pen to work with lines of varying widths and opacity, as if you are designing with a real pen. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Artist Display 13.3 Pro Holiday Edition. The product splendidly combines screen and glass, thanks to the fully laminated technology. The working environment is, therefore, free of distractions, and there's almost no parallax either. Considering the fine work artists execute, the stylus has been designed without batteries and finer nibs, so it permits smoother and more natural work, with greater precision in positions. That's not all. Even the line performance is improved. Also, the tablet supports a tilt function up to 60 degrees. This means that artists don't have to adjust the direction of their brushes, which results in natural transitions between strokes and lines. You'll find the tilt function supported in GIMP and Photoshop, among other apps. At number 3, we have the Artist 24 Pro. This tablet is the first of its kind, which comes with a 23.8-inch 2K QHD display. It has twice the resolution that one might expect from FHD displays, not to mention unprecedented vibrancies. As a result, the creative experience offered would likely exceed all your expectations. There are 2 red dials, which are easy to control, and the tablet comes with shortcut keys, which are customizable. Even the stylus is battery-free and comes with heightened pressure sensitivity, so it helps in delivering finer line performance, which makes lines and sketches better. Furthermore, the 24 Pro has a tilt option, which makes it easier to transition between strokes. There's also a stand, which makes the product all the more adjustable. Now, you can create with ease by moving the screen as much as you want. At number 2, we have the Wacom Intuos Art and Touch Medium Tablet Old version. There's a reason why Wacom is dominating the digital art tablet market right now. One look at its Wacom Intuos Art, and you'll know that Wacom sure deserves this position for everything the brand offers its users. Sporting a canvas without any limit, this medium-sized tab from Wacom will help digital artists create their art with precision and ease. The tablet's medium dimensions are 216 by 135 millimeters, 8.5 x 5.3 in, which gives the artists a generous amount of space for sketching, drawing, and editing. This broad canvas also provides the artist ample space to work with strokes of varying widths. And finally, at number 1, we have the Huion INSPIROY-Q11K Wireless Digital Graphics Drawing Pen Painting Tablet. The Huion INSPIROY Q11K model has plenty of features to offer its users, and having a pen pressure that is almost 4 times the common devices is just one of them. The brand boasts of its 8,192 pressure level in pen, as opposed to the usual 2048 pressure level in the standard graphic tablet pens. This makes Q11K a virtual giant when it comes to processing detail-oriented work. Right from artists to architects who work with sketching and designing, this is pretty much a dream come true for any graphic designing enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!